All right, folks, you're witnessing history here. I'm breaking down the outdoor kitchen. And the reason I'm breaking down the outdoor kitchen, because it's a rainy season. And so it's about to start raining. That's all the stuff coming out of that ref, that outdoor ref for all my refrigerator peepers out there. So I got wife number 2 here on the scene, helping out. Believe it or not, this old girl right here helped me carry the ref. Turn the screen around so we can see if we're in frame here. This old girl helped me carry this ref into this kitchen. She put her back into it and took the heavy end. Now I gave her the option. I said, hey, you want the heavy end with a grip or you want the light end with no grip? She took the heavy end with the grip. Old village girl. Old village girl did me right. And now she's wiping down the exterior of this LG outdoor refrigerator, which is now an indoor refrigerator. Baby, you looking so beautiful this morning in that dress, old girl. My goodness. Baby, 24 years old. You like a bottle of wine, baby. You just get better as you age. I've been noticing how radiant your skin is when you wake up in the morning, especially since I threw away all your whitening cream. My goodness. So let me give you a look around the new setup here, what the plan is going to be. All right, so obviously this is our kitchen. We got ref number 1 over there next to, on the far side of wife number 2. And we're gonna move her dish operation over to that side. So basically, all this space in here is gonna be cooking area. I got the stove wired up, and this stove is a champion. It's got 3 gas burners, 1 electrical, and then we got the stove part there is gas. I can't figure out, I think I have to manually light that. And we are rocking this beautiful exhaust fan right there, perfectly placed. Now this light right here, it's good and bad. It's going to provide light for the whole set, but it's going to be backlit if I try to film wife number 2 doing the dishes. And you know I love to see a Filipina doing dishes. Let me move this chair out of the way so y'all can see old girl. What you doing, sweetie girl? Okay, go wash your hands. Maria got to eat an ice cream this morning because it was up in the freezer. One of them like pudding pops, ice cream, pudding pops, whatever. I said, you know what, it's just one up there. Yeah, let her eat it. Probably just ruined her breakfast, but sometimes old single dads have to just make a hard decision. I said, yeah, just go ahead and eat it. I told wife number 2 to open it. She opened it up, nibbled on it like a rat, ate half of it before she gave it to my daughter.
But you're not halfway?
Baby, it looked like half to me. It looked like a big old rat been gnawing on that. All right, baby, so you got the exterior clean on this bad boy. Let me just give it a little test here. Yeah, it looks clean. All right, let's move it in place, and then we'll work on the interior of this bad boy. You ready, baby? Put your back into it here. Baby got back. I love that song, folks. She's little in the middle, but she got much back. Well, Fatima, she's middle in the middle and she's got much back. You middle in the middle, baby. Come on, put your back into it, old girl. Just spin it. Just pivot it on that one. I really didn't need your help. I just wanted everybody to see you work. Oh, shit. Now, this thing's pretty light. Let's go LG. Now, the question is, should I put this in here in the corner, caddy corner? Oh, yeah, that'd be better for the set, for the video, I think. Put that bad boy in there like that. Now all my refrigerator peepers out there are going to be happy.
Marquitos, the space is...
But, baby,
I'm so sorry.
I'm trying to make $1 million YouTube video. Uh-oh, 4th cheese await. Okay, while she tends to the young man, I will position this perfectly for the set. Yes, ma'am. Okay, you gotta wait for Mama Tima. She's gonna make the graham cracker mango stuff. Sweetie, is your baby chicken still in the motorbike?
No.
He's not in the motorbike? Go make sure he's not in the back of the motorbike, and please put him back in the jungle. Thank you. She's riding around in the basket of the motorbike. All right, now let me get back to position of this. Now I do it.
Oh, the space lagi. Uy.
I do agree it's taking up space, but baby, I'm trying to make a movie here.
Put that in the drive na.
What? What is wrong with this woman? Well, all right, so I try to put it over here, like she suggested. All right, yeah, that is a lot less room in the hallway here. It's a little bit protruding. Oh yeah, fits like a glove. Yeah, that's pretty good. And see, it's a left-hand open, so, you know, if I'm filming my cooking show, open that bad boy up. Ooh, refrigerator peepers can take a look. Okay, Papa's coming to rescue the baby chicken. This baby chicken wants to come in the living room. He needs to be in the jungle. This. Yeah, but this dude's got to go to the jungle, sweetie. Put him in the jungle here. Here, man, go play in the jungle, buddy, bro. Old single dad got it going on here. Got wife number 2 on dishes duty. Got this whole little area all cleared off, ready to commence cooking operations. Only one problem. We ain't got no meat to start out. Man, you gotta start thinking ahead. Old single dad got to think ahead. Nobody's responsibility but this guy. Everything falls down on the king of the castle. But let me show y'all what I got over here. Hold on, sweetie, I'll get you some water. You want some water?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, there's good cold water here in the Wendy's teacup. There we go. Here, you eat a banana until Papa can get some food going here. There you go. There's your banana. We had the water sitting on this thing, and the water started leaking, and it leaked down, and it just destroyed this whole thing. I told my buddy, I said, hey man, we destroyed the island. I got to buy you a new one. Just that little bit of water leaking, it just soaked into all the particle wood. The next day, this thing looked like the Titanic. So, wife number 2 continuing to clean. Ref number 2. Folks, I'm excited. I'm excited about the new kitchen setup. And again, why am I doing this? Well, it's the rainy season. I don't think it's going to be as bad as it was in Subic, but like in the rainy season during Subic, if you're trying to film videos, it's a chore because it is so loud between the rain hitting the tin roof, the rain hitting outside. You really can't film. It just totally destroys your audio. And we'll have the same problem here with all the rain. So trying to do a cooking show in the rain, yeah, it's great on the video. The audio is such a challenge. So I just made the command decision. Let's move all cooking operations indoors. It'll just be easier and we don't have to deal with the rain. We'll still do barbecues outside. Obviously I can't move the barbecue grill indoors unless I put it right next to that exhaust fan. Everybody likes outdoor cooking shows. I wonder if they would like indoor barbecue. Indoor smoker. Nah, I'm just kidding. All right, folks. Just do a quick rough mop here. Yes, honey. What, baby? I can't hear you, baby. I'm an old man looking at 50. You'd have to come closer and try it again. Oh, by the way, I don't understand your English. I'm not making fun of her, folks, if she don't understand my Tagalog, so it's just a fact of life. Fact of life. What can you do? What can you do? Get this area sort of mopped up here so nobody slips and falls. Old single dad worried about safety. Filipino wife number 2 was complaining. She had too much work to do or something. I said, baby, you showed up for work. You showed up, I've been at work since like 5 in the morning. You showed up for work about 9 and you're complaining. She's an early riser at the stroke of 09, somewhere in there. And she's an early sleeper, somewhere about the stroke of 2000, about 8 p.m. All right. So this isn't exactly perfect, but it's a start. This trampoline right here, the babies used it a little bit when they first got it. Hey son, what you doing, buddy? And they haven't used the trampoline since. Can you put your chickens back in the jungle? Go for it, G.